log this is equal to the 24, this is equal to 40, and this is equal to 12. So find out this. How? First we can write, this means we can write the log w, and this is the log x is equal to the 24, and the inverse the log x, and there is the log w. So this is the way easily we can inverse this. So, and similarly this, so log w, and this is the log y is equal to the 40, and inverse this. So this inverse the log y, and this is the log w is equal to inverse this. Is it? And similarly this, so log w, and this is the log x y z, this is the 12, and so inverse this, so this is the log x y z, and this is the log w, this is the inverse, and this log x y z, so we can write this, the log x, and this is the log y, and this is the log z, we can write this, and this is the log w, and this is the 12, and now this is we can write the log x, and this is the log w, and this is the log y, and this is the log w, and this is the log z, and this is the log w, this is the 1 by 12. And from here, this is log x and w, this is log x, and this is, so there is the 1 by 12, and this is the similarly 1 by 3, and so this, find out that this value, this is the log y, and this is the log z, and so this is, we can find the log z, and this is the log y, this is the 1 by 2, and now from here we can find out, so this is log z, and this is the log w, this is equal to the this 1 by 12, and this is 24, there is the 24, so this is the minus 24, and this is the minus 140, and so LCM of this, so LCM is this one, this, and this is, we can write, this is the 12, and this, so this is the 10, and this is the, this 5, and this is the minus 3, so this is equal to of this, so log z by log w, and so cut this, so 2 120, so cut again, so 60, so 1 by 60, 1 by 60 is the log z log w, so inverse of this, so there is the log w and log z, this is inverse, so 60, so log w and log z, this is the 60, so this is the equal to of this, so log z and w is equal to the 60. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.